Welcome to this tutorial on Go performance optimization. Today, we're going to explore profile-guided optimization, or PGO, a powerful technique to boost your Go application speed. PGO allows you to optimize your application based on real-world usage patterns. When developing high-performance applications, identifying bottlenecks is crucial. PGO helps you optimize your code where it matters most. By analyzing usage patterns, you can pinpoint areas that need optimization. So how does PGO work? It involves three main steps: profiling your application, generating a profile, and then using that profile to optimize your code. This results in a significant performance boost. Enabling PGO in Go is straightforward. You simply need to add the Go equals enable flag when building your application. This tells Go to use PGO during the build process. When implementing PGO, there are several best practices to keep in mind. Ensure your profiling data is representative of real-world usage. Also, be cautious of over-optimization, which can lead to code that's harder to maintain. In summary, PGO is a powerful tool for optimizing Go applications. By understanding how to enable and use PGO effectively, you can significantly improve your application's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.